Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about slope of a tangent line to a curve at any point. So let's start. Last time, yung topic natin is dinerive natin yung equation for the slope of the tangent line. So paano natin ulit ginawa yon? Una, kinuha natin yung slope ng secant line. We have rise over run. We have f of x of 0 plus h minus f of 0 all over h. Next is gumamit tayo ng concept ng limit para yung slope ng secant ay maging super close sa slope ng tangent line. Therefore, yung slope ng tangent line is equal to the limit of f of x of 0 plus h minus f of 0 all over h as h approaches 0. Now, this time, ang gagawin natin is we need to find the tangent line to a curve at any point. Last time, yung given natin ay find the slope of the tangent line to y is equals to x squared at 1, 1. Dito meron tayong given na point like this one, 1, 1 or binibigay natin yung value ng x. This time, iba na. Find the slope of the tangent line to y is equals to x squared at any point. Okay? So, ang magiging formula natin for the tangent must be the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches 0. So, wala na tayong value for x sub 0. Okay? Gagawin natin yung equation ng tangent line in general. Now, let's start. So, una, kailangan mo nating mahanap ano ba yung f of x natin. So, ito yung pinakamadaling part. Yung f of x natin must be x squared. Next, kailangan nating mahanap yung f of x plus h. So, ito ay composition of function. So, we have f of x plus h equals to yung value ng x, papalitan natin ng x plus h. So, magiging x plus h squared. Simplify natin, we get f of x plus h is equal to x squared plus 2hx plus h squared. Next, pwede natin siyang i-substitute. We get the limit of x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus x squared all over h as h approaches to 0. Now, let's see. What will happen if we let h is equals to 0 agad-agad? Ang mangyayari dito sa 2 times h times x magiging 0. Yung h squared ay magiging 0. Ang matitira na lang sa numerator ay x squared minus x squared. And this is also 0 all over 0. Again, 0 over 0. Kaya ang tendency, kailangan muna nating mag-simplify. Kung mapapansin, yung x squared sa yung negative x squared, cancel out. Ang matitira na lang is 2hx plus h squared all over h. Now, factor natin yung h dun sa numerator. We get h multiplied by 2x plus h all over h. Next, we can now cancel out yung value ng h. Now, since wala na siyang denominator, we can now let h is equals to 0. And we get the slope of the tangent line is equal to 2x. And we're done. Iyan yung slope ng tangent line at any given point. Now, for example, if we have point 1, 1, ito yung given natin last time. Now, tingnan natin mabuti. If the slope of the tangent line at any given point is 2x, ano ba yung value ng x dito? We have 1. 2 times 1, we get the slope of the tangent line is equals to 2. Another example, if we want the slope of the tangent line at point 2, 4, ano ba yung x natin dito? Ito ay 2. So, we have 2 times 2. Yung slope natin must be 4. Another, kung gusto nating makuha yung slope ng tangent line na dadaan sa point na 9, 81, ano ba yung x-coordinate natin dito? We have 9. So, we have 2 times 9. Yung slope ng ating tangent line must be 2 times 9 or simply 18. And that's it. Now, let's move on to our second example. Find the slope of the tangent line to f of x equals to x cubed plus 2x at any point. Now, solution. Ang kailangan natin is the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches to 0. Hanapin natin yung pinakamadali. F of x equals to x cubed plus 2x. And ito yung ating given. Next, paano hahanapin yung f of x plus h? Lahat ng x papalitan ng x plus h. Okay? So, magiging x plus h cubed plus 2 times x plus h. Next, paano si-simplify itong x plus h cubed? Gagamitin natin yung identity na a plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So, apply natin. We get x plus h cubed is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h cubed. Next, distribute natin yung 2 sa x plus h. So, we get plus 2x plus 2h. Now, ito yung value ng f of x plus h. I-substitute na natin dun sa ating formula for the tangent. We get x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed plus 2x plus 2h minus x cubed plus 2x. Now, at this point, kung ilelet natin agad yung h equals to 0, ang mangyayari sa denominator magiging 0. How about sa numerator? Lahat ng may h dyan magiging 0. Ang matitira lang is x cubed saka yung 2x. Ima-minus natin sa x cubed minus 2x. So, magiging 0 yung numerator. So, ang tendency, kailangan muna nating mag-simplify. Okay? So, ano yung mga makakancel natin? Yung x cubed makakancel saka yung negative x cubed pag distribute natin yung negative sign. Ano pa yung pwedeng makancel? Itong 2x. Pwede natin yung i-cancel out. Next, ano yung matitira? We get 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed plus h. Now, since lahat sila ay merong h sa numerator, pwede natin yung i-factor out. So, we get h multiplied by 3x squared plus 3x plus h squared plus 2 all over h. Now, yung h, pwede natin i-cancel. Ang matitira na lang is yung nasa numerator. Now, since wala na siyang denominator, pwede na nating i-let yung h is equals to 0. So, ano ibig sabihin? Yung 3x times h or 3x times 0, tanggal na yan. Yung 0 squared, tanggal na rin yan. Ano yung matitira sa atin? Yung slope ng tangent line is equal to 3x squared plus 2. Ito yung slope ng tangent line at any point on that curve. And we're done. Now, let's move on to example number 3. Find the slope of the tangent line to the curve f of x equals to x plus 1 all over x minus 2 at any given point. So, let's have the solution. So, ang kailangan natin ay makuha yung f of x. And ito yung pinakamadali kasi ito yung given. X plus 1 all over x minus 2. Next, kailangan mahanap yung f of x plus h. So, lagay natin. F of x plus h, lahat ng x, papalitan natin ng x plus h. Like this. We have x plus h plus 1 all over x plus h minus 2. Simplify natin, we get x plus h plus 1 all over x plus h minus 2. Next, substitute na natin dun sa ating limit. We have the limit of x plus h plus 1 all over x plus h minus 2 minus x plus 1 all over x minus 2 all over h as h approaches to 0. Next, kailangan natin maging same ng denominator kasi iyan ay rational. So, multiply natin yung una by x minus 2 over x minus 2. Yung pangalawa, multiply natin sa x plus h minus 2 all over x plus h minus 2. Now, kung mapapansin, magkamukha na sila ng denominator. So, pwede natin i-combine yung kanilang numerator like this. Copy natin yung denominator and then yung numerator magiging x plus h plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 minus x plus 1 times x plus h minus 2. And then yung denominator nila ay magkamukha lang. All over h. Next, simplify natin yung nasa numerator. So, ito yung ating nasa numerator. X plus h plus 1 times x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 times x plus h minus 2. Now, gagamit ako ng chunk multiplication. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung x plus h plus 1, imumultiply ko siya lahat sa x. So, magiging x times x plus h plus 1 minus 2, multiply natin sa lahat na to x plus h plus 1 minus x, ito yung minus x, multiply natin sa x plus h minus 2 and then minus 1, multiply natin sa x plus h minus 2. Next, i-distribute natin 1 by 1. So, in this part, makukuha natin ay x squared plus xh plus x. Dito naman, distribute natin yung negative 2. We get negative 2x minus 2h minus 2. Sa next part, we get negative x squared minus xh plus 2x. And the last part, we get negative x minus h plus 2. Now, ano yung mga pwedeng makancel? Tingnan mabuti. Yung dalawang x squared, 0 na yan. Ano pa? Yung xh saka negative xh, tanggal na rin yan. Cancel yan. Ito pa. Positive x saka negative x, cancel na rin yan. Ano pa yung pwede natin i-cancel? Ito, negative 2x saka yung positive 2x, tanggal na. Alin pa? Etong negative 2 at saka yung positive 2, tanggal na rin. Ano lang matitira sa atin? Negative 2h at saka yung negative h. Pag pinagsama yan, ang sagot ay negative 3h. So, therefore, yung nasa numerator ay negative 3h lang. Sa kinahaba-haba niya, negative 3h lang pala siya. Okay, so simplify na natin. We get negative 3h all over x plus h minus 2 multiplied by x minus h all over h. Next, simplify pa natin. Reciprocal natin yung denominator. So we get negative 3h all over x plus h minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by 1 over h. Ito yung reciprocal nung h. Next, pwede natin i-cancel yung h. Since na-cancel na natin yung h, we will have negative 3 all over x plus h minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Now, since wala nang h sa denominator, hindi na siya magzi-0. So, we can now let h is equals to 0. Ang mangyayari dito, magiging x plus 0 minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So, ito ay tanggal na rin kasi ito ay 0 lang. So, therefore, yung slope ng ating tangent line at any point on that curve must be negative 3 all over x minus 2. Since dalawang x minus 2 yan, gawin na lang nating x minus 2 squared. And we're done.